All right, it's Jersey Jaguar, and I just came back from my trip to Serbia. It was an awesome trip, and when I was out there, I bought a jersey, and it's none other than Aleksandr Katai, and it's a Crvena Zvezda, aka Red Star Belgrade jersey from this 2022-2023 season. It's a player authentic version, and in this video, I'm going to tell you about the jersey in full detail. And before we do that, I want to give a huge thank you, very big thank you to Mariana and all my friends at the Delia shop and the Macron shop for helping me with the jersey and the shirts that I bought while I was out there. All right, so we have the 2022-2023 Aleksandr Katai Red Star Belgrade jersey. Now, guys, this is a Macron player authentic version, not the replica. Everything on here is going to be red, white, or slightly gold. Now, guys, their standard colors are just red and white, but this season has gold. Only thing that is not red, white, or gold is going to be that Gazprom sponsor on the front. Now, guys, one thing I want to mention that on this specific jersey, they wore for a game or two. It has a Sinisa Mihajlovic tribute patch that is heat pressed on. I bought this jersey specifically for this reason. He is my favorite player of all time, not just Red Star Belgrade player. He's my favorite soccer player of all time, and I'm very sad by his unfortunate passing as of late. All right, guys, so Macron jerseys for the player authentics do fit a half size smaller, if not a full size smaller. Keep that in mind. Everything is sublimated onto this jersey except for the Macron logo, the stars, and obviously the Red Star team logo. All right, and here's the back of the jersey. Now, as you guys can see, we have a open space for the customization, and I love that on soccer jerseys, how the back of the jersey is different than the front. So we have Katai in Cyrillic, and then we have MTS, Mozart, and Fuel Drive sponsors, and we had the number 10. Now, this is just like how they wear it, minus the sponsors on the sleeves. The Macron shop was unable to do it. Now, the Macron shop is a couple stores down from the Red Star team shop in Belgrade, Serbia. It was awesome to be there, and thanks again, everyone over there, for your help. All right, to start with the details, on the front of the jersey, we have the Sinisa Mihajlovic commemorative patch that they pressed on there. It is metallic gold. Now, guys, we have the embroidered Macron logo and fully embroidered Red Star Belgrade logo, along with embroidered stars right above it. Guys, unlike other player authentic versions, these are actually embroidered. All right, so towards the top of the jersey here, we got a collar, obviously, with 3 buttons. It is red and gold trim. And then we have a reflective and performance system logo for their type of jersey. And then right there, FUK Crvena Zvezda in Cyrillic. That means football club Red Star Belgrade, all right? Okay, and now we have the Gazprom sponsor on the front in blue. This is pressed on. Everything else on the jersey is pressed on except for the Macron logo and the Crvena Zvezda logo. All the Macron logos on the sleeves as well as the front crest are going to be pressed on. All right, so right here you can see the different types of striping. We have a standard red with a gold stripe, and then over here we actually have a design within a design with the chevrons facing up on that stripe. And then here we have the side trim. It is a airflow mesh with a red followed by a gold stripe. And then all the way at the bottom of the jersey, as you can see, we have what looks like a multi-layered effect in the Macron logo. But when we flip it inside out, you can see all along the bottom, we have words in Cyrillic and the Red Star logo. And then finally on the back of the jersey, as you can see, it says Katai followed by MTS. And then we're going to have other logos and then the numbers obviously under that. And then we have the embroidered 3 stars right there. All right, so it's time for the measurements part of the video. Now, guys, I want to say that these definitely do fit slimmer. Macron player authentics fit a lot slimmer than Nike, Adidas, Puma, etc. All right, so with that said, I'm going to have the measurements in inches, but on the screen, I will also put centimeters for my international friends. Now, with that said, pit to pit, meaning across the chest, we are going to have 22.5 inches. At the body, just below the chest, we are going to have about 20.75 inches, meaning 20 3/4. Now at the waist, it's going to slim down even more to 20 inches. Top to bottom, meaning how long the jersey is, we are going to have a even 31 inches. And then from the inside of the collar to the end of the sleeve, we're going to have about 15 and a quarter to 15 and a half inches. All right, so again, this is a 2022-2023 Macron player version, size large. They run smaller. I recommend going a size up. I should have. Now, I'm a little over 6'2", so that's 189 centimeters. I weigh 186 pounds. That is 84 and a half kilograms, 13.3 stone. All right, as you can see, this jersey has a lot of tradition, a lot of character, and a lot of detail, specifically that Mihajlovic contribution. Again, thank you to everybody at the Delia shop and the Macron shop for helping making this jersey possible. Now, if you guys like my jersey, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe. If there's anything you want to see in the future, let me know. I'll see you at the next one.